How to continue playing audio in the background when you actually. Are you guys facing issues to continue playing audio on your background? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. So, first of all, open to its app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Just simply tap on it. After you click on it, you'll be able to see this option for settings. Tap on settings. After you click on settings, you can see this option for preferences over here. Just simply tap on preferences. After you click on preferences, you'll be able to see multiple options. Just simply look at the option continue playing audio in the background. Now tap on this menu icon and select always. After you select always, your audio will be continue playing in the background. And that's it, guys. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.